Hey guys, I'm back at the Mr. Car Wash again. Our Chevy Tahoe is going to go through again. Yes, I'm squirting this Toyota Prius here. There goes the GMC Sierra and the Toyota Prius, and now there comes the Chevy Tahoe. It's getting soap, the big blue thing, and there comes the brushes. And now here comes more soap spraying on the truck. Ugh, soap. Now here comes the brushes again. Here comes the small brushes. There's the little ones there. There's another big blue thing coming on. Ah! Yep. And here comes the hot shine. I'm gonna squirt the Tahoe before it gets hot shine all over. Yeah, this is our 2007 Chevy Tahoe. I'm gonna get the camera up. Well, I'm getting it cleaned up. Yeah, I don't know what kind of car wash this is. And now the car behind is a Chevy Silverado. Yeah, now let's take a look at the Tahoe. It's getting more brushes. It's just got the wheel wash. And there comes a knitter. Oh, it's a big blue thing. Sorry. Here comes the underbody rinse, a rubber shield, wheel polish, and one protectant, and underbody wash. And here comes the wheel polisher. And there's just soap on the truck. And now here comes the water dry. And there goes the Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is exiting. Now there comes the Tahoe. And you can tell that they still got the hot shine stuff stuck on the top. And now I'm gonna walk right here to this window right here to see the Tahoe. It's getting dried now. Alright. And that's the car wash with our 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe going through. So I think I'm gonna end the video, so that's it for now.